Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on any more videos. Today I wanted to do something really fun. Summer is here in North America. I'm not in North America, so I shouldn't say here, because currently Guatemala is really gloomy and rainy, so yeah. What can we do about that? Anyway, summer is all about color and, wearing a lot of crazy things on your face and on your clothes, and it's extra super hot everywhere. So I wanted to create something for that. I did a makeup look for summer last week. It was more glam. It was a little bit harder, but this is going to be super easy. So basically, colorful looks are perfect for summer, right? A lot of people can agree. They tend to be more colorful during the summer, but there are people who don't really know how to do that, and that's totally fine. Like, I see a lot of cute looks on Instagram and YouTube all the time. They're super colorful, like they're amazing, and I'm like, I would never be able to pull something like that, like pull off something like that, So I decided to create a very easy, colorful look. It's this colorful liner. It's really subtle, but you can sort of tell that I'm wearing color, and it's pretty easy. Everyone can do it. Trust me, it's one of the easiest looks that I've ever done, and it looks amazing, and it's perfect for summer. You don't have to be a pro to be able to pull this off. It's like very simple, as I've said probably 100 times already. So yeah, if you want to follow me on the daily, I like to post a lot on Instagram. I do a lot of posts on favorite products, and I do a few stories of fun things that happen throughout my day. So if you're into that, then make sure to follow me on YouTube. Links down below, and my username will be somewhere along this screen. Okay, yeah, now that I've successfully plugged myself, it is time to start the video. Okay, so for today, I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I'm just going to do a very easy brow gel on them because they are pretty full. If you have sparser brows, you might want to fill them in a little bit, but today I'm just going to use my Glossier Boy Brow, and I'm just going to run it along my brows in an upward motion. Okay, so now we're moving straight on to the eyes. No shadow, no nothing. You can add primer and set it down. That's what I did today, but you don't need to. If your lids get really oily, then I definitely recommend you do put a primer so that your makeup lasts as long as it needs to, especially in the summer. Oh, focus. But if you don't need to add any primer, let's just start this thing. So color can be like very intimidating for a lot of people, myself included. It's just, if you mess up, you feel like you won't be able to do anything, right? But it's alright, it's fine. That's why we're going step by step today. It's gonna be super simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna grab my Makeup Forever Aqua XL color paint in the shade M82, which is this like beautiful like fuchsia shade. It's very vibrant. It's not picking up as vibrant on camera, but I'm just gonna use this as my eyeliner. You don't need to do this specific color or this specific product. If you have something else, definitely make sure to use it. And if you want it to be a little more subtle, you can go in with an eyeshadow, like a colorful eyeshadow. So I'm gonna grab this thing right here, and wow, I'm like winded. And now I'm just gonna use this as an eyeliner. So it's gonna go like all over my top lid. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. I'm gonna go like slightly thin, but not super thin. And then we're gonna go and do it on the lower lash line. It's really easy and simple. I'm gonna use my MAC 210 brush, which is very tiny and really thin. And I'm just gonna eyeline. We're gonna do that right now. Ooh, okay, so after we have that, we're gonna move on to the lower lash line, and I'm basically just gonna do the same as I did on the upper lash line. I'm just gonna do it a little bit more subtle, so I'm not gonna do it as thick because I don't want that look, but you can definitely customize it to do it as you wish, guys. And the trick to doing this is grabbing like very, very little product whenever you're going in, so don't grab a lot. And then I'm just connecting the outer corners. Okay, so I know I said I wasn't going to get as thick on the bottom as I did on top, but things kind of got a little thick, which is fine, it's okay. It still looks good, but yeah, it's really, really easy. It's super simple. If it's a little messy, it doesn't matter because you can't really tell. I mean, if you go really up close, this is what it looks like, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be a little smudgy because the thing about this is the pop of color. So now it's time for some mascara, and then we'll be done with the eyes. So for mascara, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Total Temptation. I'm just going to run a few coats of this. I don't want to like oversaturate my lashes because I want the pink to peek through, so I'm doing something that's a little bit less clumpy, which is this mascara. Okay, and after we're done with mascara, this is the eye look all complete, and we can move on to the face. Okay, so moving on to the face, I've already done my base, so I'm just gonna, you know, blush, bronze, highlight, and do my lips for you guys, because, you know, foundation is kind of boring, kind of repetitive. I do it mostly every video, and it's kind of the same, so yeah. Let's just do something different today. Excuse the baby hairs. You guys know I have an ongoing problem with these every single video, but what can we do? We really can't do anything. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Do the Hoola Soft Matte Liquid Bronzer for face, and this is a sample I got a billion years ago. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this onto my hand. Then I'm gonna go in with a Real Technique stipple brush and apply just a tiny bit of this to my face. Once I've bronzed, I'm gonna go in with my first layer of highlighter because I want this look to be really, really dewy and very healthy looking. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Strobing Stick in Medium Nude Glow. I'm just gonna go in with my fingers and hit it on the high points of my face. And I'm also going to add a little to my inner corners as usual. I don't know why I look so pale. Sorry guys, I don't know what this lighting means. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm going to use a little bit of blush because I can't just not do blush anymore. So I'm going to go in with my Becca Mineral Blush in Flower Child. This is like a mini sample size, but it's gorgeous. And I'm just gonna do a little on the apples of the cheeks. And I'm also running a bit through the nose. Okay, and now to make my highlighter look a little bit more like skin, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. highlighting stick in Dewy. And this is pretty much just like a gloss. It's really weird, but it's like just a gloss. And it's just gonna make my skin look a lot healthier. It's gonna make it look a lot dewier, and like our highlight is natural, even though it's not. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit with my fingers. Not overdoing it because I do have like layers of makeup underneath, so I'm just gonna hit on like the highest points, and you see how that just elevated everything, made it look perfect? That's what we're going for. And after that, our face is complete. I'm just gonna go in with a few spritz of the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And after doing that, all that's left to do is our lips. So I'm gonna go in with one of my newest purchases. This is the Lancome L'Absolu Lacquer in Attention 274. It is this like beautiful, it looks really dark, but it is very sheer, so it'll look very nudie on my lips. And yeah, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this onto the lips, and then we'll be done. And once the lip is done, then the look is complete. You can definitely do, like, if you want to do more of like a monochrome, you could definitely switch out the lip for something that goes with the pink on your lids, so you could be like totally matching. I think that's also a really good look. Or if you want to go even more subtle because you feel like you're already doing lots of color on your eyes, you can go with just a simple nude gloss or a clear gloss. But I really like how this lip looks with the eyes, so yeah. I really like it, and we're all done, guys. We're done. We did it. And that is it, guys. We're done. Look is complete. I told you it was gonna be super easy. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you can alter it to your needs. So if you're not into pink, you can do purple, you can do blue, you can do green, you can do yellow, you can do any color you want. This is a very easy look to just alter, you know, as I said before. If you recreate this look during the summer, or you think this was a very easy and helpful look, then make sure to let me know. I love to chat with you guys in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Oh, I have a lot of swatches everywhere. But yeah, give it a thumbs up. It gives me feedback on what you guys want to see and what you don't. And if there's ever anything you want me to do, you guys want to see me do, also leave it in the comment section. I'd love to know what your requests are. I think I've run out of things to say, except thank you guys so much for watching. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I really love you guys who watch my videos, whether you're subscribed or not. Thank you for supporting me. I love what I do, and I don't care about the numbers. I just really enjoy sharing my makeup knowledge with you guys. So yeah, thank you to everyone who watches, and if you wish to like watch more of my videos and you're not subscribed yet, you can totally do that right now. Anyways, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. I'll definitely see you next week. Adios. That was weird. I don't like that. Bye, guys. Mwah.